Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be notified for future uploads. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Today, you guys, I'm mukbanging lasagna and garlic bread. Um, Let me get my thumbnail ready. Oh, I'm going to say my prayers first, and then I'll get my thumbnail. Heavenly Father, in the name of Jesus, I thank you for this food. I ask you to bless this food, to have this food sanctified for nourishment of my body. I thank you for this food I'm about to receive in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, guys. So this is, and I'm just my thumbnail. Hopefully, the bread does not fall. Okay. Now we're going to get it in, guys. The lasagna is not so saucy because I don't like real saucy lasagna, but it's not dry. Um it's sauce on it, and I love it. It has a little sweet tang to it. Let me see if you guys can see. Focus, focus. So hopefully you guys can see. Oh yeah, and take a bite, and I'll take the second. Mm, mm, mm. So good, guys. So good. Hope you guys can see the food okay. How is everybody enjoying the snow? It surprised me. I don't know if you guys got snow where you at, but where I'm at, it snowed for 2 days, guys. It ain't even Thanksgiving. I was kind of happy though. I ain't done that since I was a child. Oh yeah, and weird combination, but I have orange juice. I know, but orange juice is so good with lasagna. I know, a weird combination, but it's good, y'all. So I heard Gabrielle Union and her husband just had a baby. No, she couldn't have it. They had a surrogate mother. Mm. Because Miss Gabrielle couldn't she couldn't hold no kids. She said she had about um 8 or 9 miscarriages. I'm like, God, oh, that's a lot. So they had the surrogate mother, and so they have a healthy, I think it's a baby boy. They had him 3 days ago. But what's up with everybody having their babies in their 40s? Don't get me wrong, because you guys know she's very beautiful. But what is up with everybody having babies in their late 40s? I mean, like, who would want to do it early? I ain't talking early, but she was like at least like 29, 30. And you know, guys, this was made with mm-mm, it is scrumptious. And you know, this was made with some of that monster cheese, you know, on top, mustard and cheddar. And I was like, whoa, is that gonna taste good? But guys, it's like, yes, it tastes. Mm, mm, mm. It tastes real good with mustard and cheddar cheese. But yeah, all these ladies having they babies when they're, and I know not 40s. I know when you in your 40s, you're not old. You know what I mean? Because you're not even considered a senior until you what now? I think what 67 now. Because everybody just looking so darn good. I remember back in the 90s, you was considered a senior at the age of 55. And some years ago, you couldn't get your Social Security till you was 62. Then you was considered a senior. Because everybody looking good. Now you're not considered a senior till you're 67. 65 or 67. Can't even get your Social Security until you're 65. And I'm like, wow. See, I like my lasagna sweet, guys, and this lasagna is sweet, tangy. Mm mm mm. The cottage cheese give it a real nice, good flavor. Mm mm mm. Yeah, so it's a lot of that having babies in their 40s going on now. I guess next thing you know, people gonna be in their 50s having babies. Ooh, child. Mm-mm. And what's up with these teachers? I think she was in Colorado or in North Carolina. I mean, South Carolina, excuse me. Sending students intimate pictures of her and her husband. And then she slept with this one 14-year-old. And she has a husband. You know, it's like, I mean, that's like, that's the trend that's going on now. I mean, you send your kids to school to be learning, and you know they learn other stuff. And I know, you know, and the sad thing is, you know, we teach our kids. You know, if somebody grown touch you, you let me know you tell another adult. A lot of these kids won't do it. Some of the kids will, but a lot won't. Because they like that exposure. But they gave her 10 years in prison. She was crying and saying that she didn't think she deserved life, which that's too. I mean, that's life in prison. That's too extreme for that offense. I mean, they got people in prison killing somebody that don't even have life. Mm. Guys, it's so good. Garlic bread is all soft and moist. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, uh, Yellow and soft. I like my garlic bread to be just soft, you know, not all hard. And yeah, but teach your kids. Boy, because somebody else gonna teach them. These teachers are sure teaching them. I mean, she sent a whole lot of kids pictures of her and her husband. They out there trying to get these little tenderonis, and she got somebody mature at home. I don't understand that. The kid's fresh out the oven. Ain't even done baking yet. And she got a husband at home. I think they said she was comparing sizes, or We're not comparing size, but telling the kids, the boys, look how big her husband was, down in that area. Here, green pan. I don't know what the world coming to. I don't know if it's what they're watching on TV or the music that they're listening to, because this music is no good. I like the music back in the day. That was real music. Mm-mm-mm. This is so good. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, y'all greedy. Y'all supposed to be having your own food. Yeah, but guys, the music back in the day, that was real music. This, I don't know. And did y'all hear about Nicki? What's that one rapper? See, I'm not familiar with these new rappers today, but he's weird looking, light skinned, tattoos all on his face. And then he got a big old number 64. And they said everywhere he go, he starts trouble. With Kanye West and Nicki Minaj was supposed to be doing a music video with him, and some people came and shot up his set. But the most ironic thing is now, some people say this is a conspiracy theory. They shot up his dressing room, which he gave to Nicki Minaj. So it was her dressing room that they shot up, but she wasn't there yet. Excuse me. And they said it was 8 rounds shot, fired. So the question is, like everybody, everybody speculating, did he know that they was going to do that? Everybody is wondering, was he trying to set Keon West and Nicki Minaj up? Because why would you give her your dressing room? And then a little while later, somebody come and shoot it up. So if she had arrived early, she would have been possibly dead. Critical, what you call that? She would have been in critical condition. Some people are speculating that they think he did that. He was trying to sabotage them. Because number one, how would these cats know where your dressing room is? Out of all the rooms that's there, you mean tell me it just happened to, by luck, pick the right room that was his? I smell a rat. And then he was going up and give his room to Nikki. They didn't shoot up what was supposed to be her dressing room. Okay, Kion West dressing room. He gave her his. And that's the very room that they shot up. Does anybody know if somebody doing a random shooting, they're going to shoot. They're going to shoot anywhere and everywhere. Just for the simple fact is they don't know where his room is. So how did they know where his room is? Oh, excuse me, guys. My pick right behind the my toothpicks right behind the camera. You know, his bodyguards ain't gonna give that information out. So you see what I'm saying? Mm-mm. No, I don't believe it. Mm-mm. I just don't believe it, y'all. If it was somebody who just coming to get them, yeah, agree. If they would just been doing random shooting, everybody would have got shot. Everybody. You know, just like that bar. Got Tamara's. And these got shot at. Now 12 people died. And these were just random people because somebody came up there and shot up the bar. Because when a person don't know what is, or who, you know what I'm saying? They just shooting up everything just to make sure they get whatever, the target is. For him, no, honey, they went straight to his dressing room, not West dressing room. Not the dressing room that was supposed to be Nikki's. So so no more. So I believe he had something to do with that. There was no way these people would know where his dressing room is. That's why you gotta be careful. Because everything glitter and gold. Every smile is not genuine. Every word is not to be trusted. Mm-mm. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Golly, I'm dropping my stuff. Yeah, because that don't make no sense. So if she would have came there earlier, guys, excuse me. Oh, this orange juice is so good, guys. It's been a minute since I had orange juice. I mean, a long minute. Because I don't only like orange juice with breakfast food. I like orange juice anytime. Breakfast food, regular food, by itself in the morning time, in the evening time, in the noon time, in the night time, in the middle of the night. Yeah, but you gotta be careful because people will sabotage you. Yeah, that's what I believe he did to Nikki. Y'all been in this game too long. The game of haters and jealous people and envious people and people who don't have your best at heart. Go lay down with wine. I had this lasagna had the right amount of cheese. It wasn't so cheesy. I'm not going back outside. Go lay down with wine. You ain't got a potty every time you eat some. Time he eat a little something, y'all, he want a potty. So yeah, I'm gonna see what the update is and what Nicki Minaj said about it and what her intake on it because she could have been killed 3 days ago. I think 3 or 4 days ago. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys ate a good dinner with me as well. Don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe, and comment. And if you like the video, share the video and be notified for upcoming uploads. Thank you again. Thank you guys again for watching and eating with me. You guys have a blessed day. Be watchful now. Be careful of people who don't have your best interest, like he did with Nikki. But until next time, guys, stay blessed. Bye bye.